Hello guys, welcome to a new video. Welcome to a new video on the channel. I went with the Mercedes CLS to the technical inspection and it passed with glance. However, when they were checking the tires, they found that there was a screw inside this tire here. So we will see what we can do about it. We will see if it is through and through to the inside of the tire or just in the outside here. So I will show you in a minute. So I will try to show you. I marked it here. So there it is. There it is, you can see it really good. So we will inspect it further. So now I will have to lift the car up to get it more accessible, and that I can turn the wheel to make me able to get to the screw and to see what I can do there. of course. Put the key in so that won't happen again. Like so. Here we have it. Here is the screw. At this point we can't do anything because I have to be ready to fix the hole if it is true and true. But the guy at the technical inspection said it is not through to the inside, so I will see that I am ready to fix the hole if it starts to blow out some air. So here we have the tools, and we will see that we are ready to fix the hole if it starts to blow out some air. So now it is the moment of truth. Let's try to pull out that damn screw and see if it starts to. I don't hear anything until now. Luckily it is a very small screw. See, it's a very small screw, and I will do the test with some soap. I will put some soap here. After I do this, there is no air coming out. I think I don't need soap. I will show you. But first of all, I'm going to dispose of this small screw, that it will not happen again. Okay. So let's have a look. There are no bubbles coming out. So it seems to be fine. Well, I was lucky. I was lucky to be able to get home without a flat tire, and it probably will stay that way. A little bit of brake cleaner, and perhaps I can do something in that little hole so that there can't get any dirt inside of it. That is clean. So now I will put some rubber glue into that hole. Not that it will need that, but just to fill the hole so that no dirt can go inside. It's empty. It is empty. So this is a new one. I just opened it and we will try to get it inside. Jesus Christ, what is wrong with these guys? So they give you some tubes and there is nothing in it. What a scam. Practically empty. Jesus. So we will let it dry and that will fill up the hole so that there won't get any dirt or sharp little stones inside. So it is fixed. Okay. Now we can let the car back down. like so. So we were lucky this time that we could get home and that we did not have a flat tire. So now it is fixed. For the next video that is going to come, I have here a package that I ordered from the UK and that came from China. I didn't know it was from China, but it is a piece for the Range Rover, and this should fix a problem that I have again with the Range Rover, and that is a video that is going to come also after this one. So it will come very soon, so stay tuned. In the meantime, give it a like, and if you didn't already, subscribe to the channel, because there are a lot of videos going to come your way. I'm working on it very hard, because I had some health problems in the family, and that took me away from YouTube a little time, but I hope that is solved for the future. So stay tuned for those videos to come. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.